Hey there, Caesar with Calder here. In this video, we're going to be looking at how to create experiences for your members to engage in and for them to earn benefits and rewards through these experiences. First, move to the Experiences menu option on your Calder admin dashboard and hit Launch a new experience under Live Experiences. Here, you'll find an array of experiences to choose from, but in this video, we'll be looking at configuring a Members Only Drop. The Members Only Drop is an experience that customers can complete to gain exclusive access to products, content, tickets, or whatever you choose. To select this experience type, press on the arrowhead on the right side of the chosen experience. You'll be led to the experience configuration screen. In step 1, you'll be entering your basic experience information. Firstly, choose a title for your experience. Next, upload a background image for your experience by pressing the Upload Image button. Please note that only JPEG, JPG, and PNG files are accepted here. Crop accordingly and press Save Changes to continue. Next, you can decide whether you'd like this experience to be exclusive to your members. To have this experience visible to members only, keep this toggled on. If you'd like this experience to be open to participation from people outside of your membership, toggle this off. Next, choose how many times a user can participate in this experience by selecting from the drop-down menu. Here, you can choose between a one-time submission, anytime submissions, which means unlimited submissions, or time-based submissions as well. In step 2, you'll be setting up specific members-only drop experience details. Firstly, if you'd like to token gate the experience, enter a spend amount in the text box provided. The spend amount is the amount of tokens a member must spend to unlock this experience. Next, choose a participation limit for the experience. The participation limit is the cap on member submissions that you'd like to have for this experience, so that you can control the number of submissions you'll receive. If you've chosen to integrate your Shopify store with Calder, you'll also be able to choose a specific product or collection to link this experience to, as well as import discount codes from Shopify. However, if you're not using a Shopify store, insert a link to your product under Drop Link. Additionally, if you'd like to gift discount codes to your members that are completing this experience, you can paste your current discount codes into the text box under Drop Codes line by line. If you currently don't have any discount codes, Calder can also auto-generate them for you. Once you're happy with the information here, hit Save Draft Changes and continue on to the next step. In step 3, you'll write a description about this experience. Under Instructions, write about what this experience is and how members can participate, as well as benefits and perks they can receive after completing the experience. If you're not sure what to write about, Calder provides you with an AI generator to help you create a description as well as a title for your experience. You'll find the AI generator at the bottom of the preview screen on the right side of your window. To use the AI generator, enter a few prompts or a short description of your experience, and let the AI do the rest. Once you're happy with your description here, hit Save Draft Changes and continue on to the next step. In step 4, you'll be able to add collaborators to co-host your experience. Let's say you wanted to collaborate on a specific campaign with an outside brand or creator. Here's where you'll be able to invite them. To send an invite to an outside collaborator, click Add New Collaborator and enter their email address in the pop-up window shown. Press Send Invite and an invitation link will be sent to the email address you've provided. However, if you're not working with any collaborators, feel free to skip this step. Once you're done with your invites, hit Save Draft Changes and continue on to the next step. In the final step of creating an experience, all you have to do is click Publish Live, and your experience will now be open to live submissions from all of your members. If you're not ready to submit your experience yet, don't worry, because you'll have access to this experience as a draft on your Calder admin dashboard, and you can submit this whenever you'd like. To do this, make sure you press Save Draft Changes on all of the steps, and feel free to exit the page when you've made your saves. If you encounter any problems, have any questions, or would like to give us any feedback, please feel free to use the feedback tool in the Calder admin dashboard to let us know. Congratulations on creating this experience, and we'll see you in the next video.